This audio press release is brought to you via Stockwave. For more, visit www.stockwave.market.
The seeds of a new era for cannabis and hemp in the U.S., companies poised to capitalize in 2019 and beyond. InvestorIdeas.com, a leading investor news resource covering hemp and cannabis stocks, releases a 2019 outlook for the sector as the 2018 U.S. Farm Bill law plants the seeds of a new era for the U.S. markets. According to New Frontier data, quote, the 2018 Farm Bill will restore industrial hemp to nationwide legal production for the first time since World War II, offering vast opportunities for the industry and investment in a market expected to triple in 4 years, end quote. With the removal of hemp from federal prohibition under the Controlled Substances Act of 1970, the total U.S. hemp industry now looks to expand at a healthy 18.4% through a 5-year combined annual growth rate from 2018 to 2022. New Frontier Data's Hemp Business Journal estimates that, in leading all hemp product categories, the hemp-derived CBD market will grow from a $390 million market in 2018 to a $1.3 billion market by 2022, representing a 27.2% 5-year CAGR. Single Point Incorporated, OTCQB, ticker symbol SING, just stated in recent news, quote, this is a huge win and opportunity for us. The company's subsidiary, SingleSeed.com, is an e-commerce-based business that sells and supplies industrial-based hemp cannabidiol products. As hemp has become more mainstream and now a fully federally legal commodity, the company plans to add more to its offering. Ranging from biofuel to construction materials to extracting cannabidiol used to treat various ailments and well-being, industrial hemp now has an opportunity to be competitive in the global marketplace. Looking ahead to 2019, Single Point Management is seeking new deals and currently negotiating potential acquisitions across different sectors and will continue to grow revenue through its acquisition model. Management is confident revenue growth through hemp-based initiatives will be successful through 2019 and beyond, end quote. Bruce Linton, chairman and co-CEO, Canopy Growth Corporation, the world's largest diversified hemp and cannabis company, CGC on New York Stock Exchange, commented on the passage of the Farm Bill saying, quote, Canopy Growth commends the United States government for passing the Farm Bill, a transformative piece of legislation that will create jobs and meaningful economic impact across the United States. Thanks to a deep hemp-specific portfolio of intellectual property acquired from Colorado-based EBU Incorporated and a landmark investment of $4 billion from Constellation Brands, management believes it is well-positioned to enter the U.S. market quickly, end quote. Canadian-based Tilray Incorporated, NASDAQ ticker symbol TLRY, a global leader in cannabis research and production, said in December following a flurry of deal flow, quote, the Farm Bill in the U.S. presents an opportunity to enter the hemp-derived CBD industry and capitalize on an estimated $22 billion market. Tilray has the expertise, team, and supply in place to pursue this opportunity and looks forward to potentially expanding its product offerings to include hemp-derived CBD in the U.S., end quote. Another Canadian-based player with a presence across 5 continents, Cronos Group, NASDAQ ticker symbol CRON, is on most investors' watch list following recent news of a $2.4 billion Canadian dollars strategic investment from Altria Group Incorporated. Following the news during the company's conference call, Graham Kreindler from 8 Capital asked about Altria's experience in the U.S. market and how it would play a role. Quote, so I was wondering if there's been any discussions about what that could mean for Cronos in the event of a passing of a farm bill here on a strategic initiative there, end quote. Cronos Group's CEO Mike Gorenstein said, quote, sure, I think any market, it's great being able to draw from that experience. One of the things that we found is going to be really important is the experience that Altria has dealing with agencies like the FDA and making sure that, again, we follow all the steps, we follow the right processes to make sure that we're bringing products on in a responsible fashion and in collaboration with regulators. So I think that will be very, very important for us, end quote. With headlines like Financial Cascade, how the U.S. Farm Bill could unleash a multi-billion-dollar CBD business overnight, investors are looking to 2019 as a big year for cannabis stocks, but as always are reminded to keep their feet firmly planted in the ground with some due diligence.
This audio press release is brought to you via Stockwave, production company that provides audio services to a variety of clients. Stockwave may have been compensated for the production of this audio service. In trading, there can be no assurance that any prior successes or past results as to income earnings can be used as an indication of future success or results. Audio services by Stockwave are for informational purposes only and do not purport to be a complete study of the featured company or other companies mentioned. Information used and statements of fact have been obtained from the featured company and other sources, but not verified nor guaranteed by Stockwave as to completeness or accuracy. Listeners are advised to use caution and seek the advice of qualified professionals before acting on any information provided by Stockwave's audio services. Listeners are also advised to perform their own due diligence when it comes to making investment decisions. For more, visit www.stockwave.market.